In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Odoo Accounting Software. By the end, you'll know how to get into the accounting app and confidently manage your sales, bank, purchases, and tax returns within one organized workspace. Start by opening your Odoo workspace in a web browser and signing in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. If you don't see accounting, make sure your user account has access to the accounting app. It's also helpful to confirm your company, currency, and time zone are correct so your books line up with your local requirements. From the dashboard, click the accounting application to open it. This takes you into Odoo's accounting hub, where you'll find clear sections for sales, purchases, banking, and taxes. Depending on your setup, you may also see an overview with key figures and shortcuts. Interface labels can vary slightly by version, but the core flow is the same. Let's manage your sales first. Go to the sales section to create customer invoices. Choose the customer, add your products or services, review taxes, and save. When everything looks good, post the invoice so it hits your books, then send it to the customer. When payment arrives, record the payment against the invoice to keep your receivables accurate. A quick tip: use due dates and payment terms so Odoo can track what's overdue and what's upcoming. Next, handle your banks. Open the banking area to connect your bank feed or import bank statements if your bank doesn't support a live connection. Once transactions appear, reconcile them by matching each line to the correct invoice, bill, or account. Odoo's smart matching can speed this up, but always review unmatched items and add missing explanations to keep your ledger clean. Move on to purchases to manage vendor bills. Create a bill from your supplier's document, add line items, confirm taxes, and post it when verified. Schedule or register payments directly so your payables stay current. If you work with purchase orders, link bills to POs for a smooth three-way match. Finally, manage tax returns in the taxes section or tax report. Select the correct period, review collected and deductible taxes, and confirm the totals. Export the report or summary needed for filing according to your local rules. Before closing a period, reconcile banks and make sure all invoices and bills are posted for complete accuracy. That's it. Open Odoo, click Accounting, and manage your sales, banking, purchases, and taxes in one place. Keep your data consistent, reconcile regularly, and your reports will stay reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.